kids, it's Teacher here. Let's talk silly science. Today, boys and girls, we are going to talk about sculptures. Yes, sculptures. I know that that's art. I know that's what we like to think, but sculptures are actually when art and science collide. And that's because so many sculptures are made out of elements of the earth. They're made out of things that we combine. So we have chemicals that we put together to make it work. So just like some of the things I have here, you can see right here that I have salt and I have flour and I have water. And you know, if you combine those and mix them all up, it makes a clay. So it could make a clay like this according to how we combine the chemicals and the ingredients. And that's even a terracotta. We can use different other ingredients that make them sturdy like that. But we can also combine them and make, what is this? What is this in here? Play-Doh! That's right. And we can use Play-Doh to make sculptures too. We can mix them and twist them any way that we like to. Even right here, you can see that I have some paper here, and I've already started my sculpture here, but I can take this paper and I can mold it any way that I want. But do you know that even with this paper, it's made from elements of the earth? Trees. And we can take plastic straws. This is a chemical reaction that makes this a straw, but I can take any of these and I can mold them into my clay, which is also a chemical reaction of chemicals that we put together. And I can make my sculpture any way that I want to because it's mine, it's my creation. So even though it's art, I have to use art with science. That's right. So what I want you today, boys and girls, today I want you to go around your house and you can make some Play-Doh, and mommies and daddies and grandparents can look up the ingredients of making Play-Doh on your own. It's so messy, but it's so much fun. But you can also use straws. You can use popsicle sticks. You can use colorful paper. You can use sand. That's one of the elements of the earth, limestone, sand, those kind of things that actually help to create our sculpture. So I'm going to go ahead and create my wonderful sculpture that's made from elements of the earth. And I want you to do something. Take a picture for me and send it to WKNO teacher@gmail.com. But I also want you that as you're making your creation, your sculpture, I want you to go to our PBS Learning Media website, okay? And you can find that at pbslearningmedia.org. And you will find so many wonderful, exciting resources about making sculptures, about elements of the earth, whatever you want to find there. I promise you can find it. But the best thing about it is so much fun. You're going to find so many wonderful things there. So don't worry. Go ahead and go to that website. Lots of resources while I continue to make my sculpture. So until next time, Teacher says bye-bye.